Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
中马哥，
让我们加入客家风情，学习实用客语。
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Talk About Hakka here on ICRT.
Hello， 大家好，我係美長。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我係 Joseph Ling. We're talking about flowers and trees this month. And during graduation time, there's actually a particular type of flower called the phoenix flower that's very popular, and it blossoms. 这个毕业的时候是不是会看到什么凤
凰花開？
花開的時候，對，這個鳳凰樹怎麼說呢？
鳳凰酥。
鳳凰酥 that's the phoenix flower, all right? During graduation time, the phoenix flowers blossom red on their trees, all right? 畢業季節，鳳凰木樹上花開的火紅耀眼。
畢業時節。
畢業時節。
鳳凰酥檔。
鳳凰酥檔。
花開多。
花開多。
鳳啾啾誒。
鳳啾啾誒。
又大念。
又大念。就是非常紅滋滋那種感覺。
很耀眼。
很耀眼。It's bright red and right in your face, you know? That's so cool. Now, 鳳凰花的花語是離別、青春與熱情。Did you know that the phoenix flower actually represents parting, youth, and passion?
鳳凰花嘅花兒。
鳳凰花嘅花兒。
係離別。
係離別。
長存。
長存。
老熱情。
老熱情。Okay, those are the three elements of the phoenix flower. So let's review these elements one more time. 我們就捋這三個哈。離別怎麼說？
離別。
離別 that's parting. 青春 youth.
長存。
長存 and then finally passion 熱情。
熱情。
熱情 and again it's all about the phoenix flower, also known as the peacock flower, 鳳凰樹。
鳳凰酥。
鳳凰酥 There you have it, all about the nature this month. Thank you for listening.
什麼大家？
安子 say
張來了。
客家風情由客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.